Most writers know of only one type of proposal. I'll call it the traditional proposal. This is how it looks like. Okay, you've seen many templates on this. Okay, so this is not a bad proposal because you have specified like the skills that you have, and then you've specified some of the results. You've given one result that you can produce for the client, okay? And then you've given your samples. So this is a good proposal, but there's a big problem with this proposal. And this is the problem with this proposal. Like, what if you're a beginner and you don't have samples that are similar to the project that the client wants you to handle? What if you don't have those because you're a beginner? And what if there's so many, what if you're actually an expert writer, but you don't know, maybe there are so many applicants who have also very impressive portfolios, and then there are so many applications. If you write such an application and every other writer out there, every John, James, Jude, and etc., name them, writes an application or a proposal just like this one, what will make you stand out? If they have big name clients that they can quote on that proposal, lucky for them. If you have such big name clients, that's a good thing. This proposal can actually work for you. This traditional proposal can work for you. So I'm not saying that this traditional proposal, I'm calling it traditional proposal, is just a name I've given it. Okay? I'm not saying that it's wrong, that it's bad, that it doesn't work. But what are the chances that it will work for you every single time? That is the challenge of using that proposal. Because now what your proposal is supposed to do, it's supposed to catch the client's attention, It's supposed to be unique. It's supposed to be memorable. It's supposed to be original. So if all your proposals sound like that or something similar to that, I'm not saying exactly word for word, but something similar to that, just having an introduction, just saying hi, and so, and these are the skills that I have, these are the results I can produce for you, these are my samples, and that's the end. That's the flow. If that's all you're writing, how will it stand out from the rest? The solution is a magnetic proposal. A magnetic proposal is the application letter that helps you catch the client's attention and land writing gigs by selling your services and demonstrating your value in a unique way. Actually, I want you to understand that part, unique, in a unique way. Also, take note, it helps you catch the client's attention. Now tell me how your traditional proposal, which is good, which can work, how can it catch the client's attention every single time if they have hundreds of applications that they have to go through, okay? Unless you're really an experienced writer, you really have big name clients to quote, previous clients to quote. So that is why you need a magnetic proposal. So what is the magnetic proposal blueprint? How do you write a magnetic proposal? There are 3 steps. There's the foundation stage, the decision-making stage, and the crafting of your proposal. And guys, the meat is there in the crafting your proposal. That is incorporating the basic 5 and the magnetic 7, yes? You have to include these 5. These are the basic. They're very important because they form the base of your proposal. So these are the components that make up a magnetic proposal. The basic 5 and the magnetic 7. And I was so happy to get this, response from the client. Imagine a 2,000 word test article, and that was going to be the length of the work that I would be writing, 2,000 words, and they were paying $300. And then if you're taken in as one of the writers, you would be paid $4,000 per article. And it's not going to be difficult because I'm going to give you the ropes by explaining what this basic 5 and magnetic 7 entails. So let's go to the Google spreadsheet, and you're going to get that in your, the notes in this course. You can look at them one by one slowly on your own, and see how you can use each of them. So there you have it, guys. You've had it for yourself. If you want to make your proposals catch the attention of clients and land you your dream job, get access to the magnetic proposal blueprint right now. Enroll right now, guys. I've actually just launched that mini course and it's on fire. Guys are already buying it. So go to the link in the description below or the comment section below. You can either buy through PayPal, or if you're in Kenya, you can send me your M-Pesa payment, okay? It's only $7. But guys, the price is going to go up very soon because that $7 is only for this launch period, which is ending on Wednesday of 12th October this month. So if you see this after that, just know the price has gone up. It's going to be $12. So buy it now at $7 Kenyans. That's 700 Kenya shillings. See you on the inside, guys. Enroll now.